My Naija pipo, I don bring una ogbonge pidgin news story. Like una know say e get plenty word wey we dey use, I will not know their meaning. So today I wan yarn una the full meaning of AK-47 gun. E get plenty words wey oyibo dey call terminology wey we dey use, I will not know their meaning. And one of the words wey plenty people dey use wey dey not know their meaning na the popular gun wey dem dey call AK-47. So for inside this video, I wan yarn una the real meaning of wetin dem dey call AK-47. First, the gun AK-47 na Russia origin. Na gas-operated 7.62 x 39mm assault rifle developed inside Soviet Union by Mikhail Kalashnikov. Mikhail Kalashnikov na Russian soldier wey start im career as weapon designer for inside 1941 when e dey recover from shoulder injury wey e get during the Battle of Bryansk. Mikhail Kalashnikov himself yarn. He say I dey hospital, one soldier wey lie down on top the bed wey dey beside me come ask me. He say why our soldiers dey get one rifle for 2 or 3 of our men, but the Germans dey get automatic. I design one. I be soldier. I do one machine gun for a soldier. So the name AK-47 was called Automat Kalashnikov, wey means automatic weapon of Kalashnikov AK. Maybe you don't know say the word automat na Russian word wey means automatic. Why the 47 wey dey for the gun name, they get am from the year wey they first manufacture am, wey be 1947. As a matter of truth, gun wey dey popularly call AK-47 na well described as hybrid of former rifle technology innovation. Na invention wey cover from the combination of the previous technology. It is stated that Mikhail Kalashnikov designed automatic rifle combining of the best feature of American M1 and German STG-44. So now you know the full meaning of AK-47. Hope you no go guess am again. This na Pidgin News Network with the Yarn Pidgin English, and I mean na him bring una this story.